We're here at Session Road. Early morning tayo, 9 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock na pala. So, at this time, you can see a lot of dito, marami na naglalakad sa may session going up. Papunta dun sa church. So, kahapon lakas ng ulan. I don't know kung paano sila nakasurvive, but I can see yung mga blue colored tarps. Talagang naprotektahan yung mga nila. Stores. I want to try this Hungarian. Yan na. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-try. Ang problema, wala tayong pambili. Don't see some some activities this early. Marami na activities dito sa meron tayong vloggers meet up today. So papunta dun ako ngayon sa meeting point, and hopefully si Kabsat ay Cordilleran Daily, yan YT channel name niya, tsaka si Kadoray TV, Lakwatserang Chikadora. Yan, may meet natin doon. So, dalawang magandang vloggers yan. Siyempre, paano ba tayo? Wapo rin naman eh. So, at this early, maraming activities na nagaganap. And you can see a lot of yun na. Merong dining area here and extend sa labas. That's free of charge. Ika nga. MB Alaban sa Longganisa. Ito, one of the famous Longganisa to. Siguro pag sinuwerte tayo, makakain tayo dyan. Yan, yun lang eh. So this early, I can simply say na nadagdagan yung mga normal na naglalakad here in Session Road. Kasi nga merong mga festivities here. Maraming mga bargain dyan. Marinduque. So yan, tingnan natin mamaya. Usad tayo, will be another footage in here. You can see the police visibility all throughout this event. And you can see those people queuing up, maybe sa taxi. I don't know. Hindi, yung kapila dun sa well, yan, pinipilahan nila. Anyway, stay tuned for more, Sisig Burger, 30 lang. Okay yun, Pwede yan. Subukan na natin mamaya. 30 lang, kaya pa. Maglalakad ako pa uwi. And Ikulot yan, Mr. Arnold's also, main channel ko. Second channel ko, Ikulot yan. And Kuya Kuis, drawing ako. Yung Kuya Kuis, pinalitan ko drawing ako. Kasi that will be featuring all my drawings, mga freehand, gano'n. Anything goes there, mga basta drawing yun. Puro drawing, kaya drawing ako. Ayan. So, doon tayo sa kabilang side kasi doon yung meetup place, andun sa kabila. Kaya tayo. So, this early, marami ng tao. And ako nauna dito sa meeting point. Ayoko kasi nung ayoko yung nahuhuli ako sa sa mga meeting. So nandito ako. Pwedeng tumambay kasi dito. So the whole session is closed for a week. Ganyan po yung inclination ng session load yan. Kita niyo. For your information. Nandito tayo. Then Mabini is open for traffic. And the rest are closed. May traffic na sila. Yung sakyan na yun. Inabutan na nung ano. Then, so, police are there for safety. Pero sa traffic, they don't mind. Hindi nila pinapakailaman yung traffic na yun. Yan. As early as 10 o'clock, ganito po ang situation here in Session Road. So this will last until sa Sunday. Maraming activities again here on Sunday. So ang dami kong video na dapat i-upload. So stay tuned guys. Ikulit yan. So Arnolds and Drawing ako. Yan, tatlong channel ko. The other one is not yet up but soon it will be. Stay tuned for more. See you guys.